Model is Helio 90 now. Today I'll show you how to connect ODG and use 64 GB pen drive in this phone. If you want to use 64 GB pen drive in this phone, at first you need to an OTG and need to an pen drive. When you OTG and pen drive needed, you second time OTG and pen drive connection properly. When you connect properly OTG and pen drive fourth time, you just put this OTG on your phone. When put this OTG on your phone, wait few seconds. You can see your phone OTG is now working. You can see your phone OTG file is now working. And mind it, basically you have not to turn on any OTG connection option in this phone. Go to settings and search settings and write OTG, no result found. Mind it, basically have not to turn on any OTG connection option. You just put this OTG and connect your OTG. And first time you just go to files and scroll down. You can see an option called disk 1 and disk 2. And you just click on this option called disk 2.0 and show your phone pen drive files. And if your phone OTG is not working, you just replace your OTG, solve your phone OTG not working problem. So if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.